watching. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Everything that's used in this video will be linked below. Mostly everything came from Amazon though. Right now I'm putting my Loctite on my nail stand. This is what's going to keep the press-ons on the nail while you're designing and, you know, filing and stuff. Okay, we have all the nails on the stand now. I have a bit of OCD. I might do 2 nails, 2 at a time. I mean, I'm in love with even numbers or something. Something's wrong with me. But yeah, here I'm just buffing the nail, making the surface rough enough so that the gel polish can adhere to it. I also buff off the tip of the press-ons. You'll see that a lot of them come with a little tip on it. Make sure you buff that off. Buff that off or file it off good enough. Sometimes I leave it on there a little bit, but just look over me. You get the point though. I do want to apologize if I am out of frame. I didn't know till later on, but I don't think it happens that much in the video, so yeah, my bad. Once all the nails are buffed, you can see how dull it looks. After buffing the nails, you're just going to get you some alcohol and like a lint-free cotton swab or something, or a towel, paper towel. And you're just going to wipe the nails off to get that dust off, the excess dust and stuff from filing. And you can also use one of those little nail brushes as well. Sometimes polishing can be the fun part. It all depends on the color. But here I am going in with my base gel by Beetles. Beetles been the only brand. Oh, look, see that tip? Told y'all, but I'm gonna get better. Beetles is the only brand I've been using lately. I like Beetles. I haven't had any problem with them. I plan to use other brands, but so far Beetles been good to me. So yeah. Once you're done applying your base coat, you're going to stick it in your UV lamp for about 60 seconds. And after that, you can go ahead and start applying your color and do the same. This blue is really pretty. It's really, really pretty. Like really pretty. But you only need about 2 coats of the blue. I feel like one is too see-through for me. I mean, it's something if that's what you like, it give me the jelly nail vibe, but it really needs about 2 coats. Be sure to clean under each nail when you're applying your coats, so that polish won't cure under that nail. Also, these water decals I got from Amazon. I kind of like water decals. I kind of don't. It's all about patience. Once you're done polishing your nails with the top coat and stuff, you can just file away all the imperfections and stuff that you may see. And after you're done filing, you can just get your alcohol, wipe everything off, and you should be good to go. And all right, here's the finishing results. Don't talk about me. I had to make do with what I had. And also, I could have cleaned off the excess dust a little more, but hey, it's still cute. Thank you for watching. Be sure to comment, like, make sure to subscribe. Please turn the notification bell on. And please follow us on Instagram at PressOnBabe. We'll be sure to follow you back.